Today, we're diving into the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, set to make its debut in September 2024. This new drone is building on the successful legacy of its predecessors, promising to bring a suite of upgrades that could redefine the standard for consumer drones. Unlike mere incremental improvements, the Mini 5 Pro introduces thoughtful advancements designed to cater to a diverse range of users, from hobbyists to semi-professional content creators. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the anticipated features, enhancements, and the broader impact of the DJI Mini 5 Pro on the drone industry. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its advanced camera system. DJI appears to have made a substantial leap forward by integrating a 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from the smaller sensors used in previous models. This enhancement isn't just about higher specs, it's about real-world improvements in image quality. A larger sensor enhances dynamic range, enabling the drone to capture more nuanced and vibrant images with better contrast between light and dark areas. This is particularly advantageous for capturing detailed footage in challenging lighting conditions, where maintaining clarity in shadows and highlights can be difficult. Moreover, the upgraded sensor helps to reduce noise, especially in low-light environments, a common issue with smaller sensors. This enhancement makes the Mini 5 Pro a compelling choice not just for casual users, but also for semi-professional photographers and videographers seeking a portable yet powerful imaging tool. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to support 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, aligning with industry standards for high-quality video capture. Whether you're creating smooth, detailed footage for personal projects, social media, or professional work, the combination of a larger sensor and high frame rate 4K recording positions the Mini 5 Pro as a leader in its category. DJI's strategy of rapidly releasing new models appears to be a deliberate effort to maintain its market dominance and keep pace with evolving consumer demands. As the drone industry continues to advance, emphasizing portability, performance, and ease of use, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of compact, high-performance drones. While this article focuses on the Mini 5 Pro, it's worthwhile to compare its expected features with those of another anticipated model, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The Mavic series has long been favored by professionals seeking top-tier aerial footage, and the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to continue this tradition with significant enhancements, particularly in its camera system. As both drones represent different tiers of DJI's offerings, understanding their respective features can help users choose the model that best suits their needs.